Hi guys, I was in Pune today, and while coming to Pune, I realized that there are not many top MBA colleges in Pune. Pune is a hub for education. Trust me, you'll find the maximum number of colleges in Pune. There are maximum number of MBA colleges also in Pune, but very few of them are ranked in the top colleges. So this is my list of the top 4 colleges: SIBM, SMHRD, Pumba, and COEP. Two of them are accepting SNAP scores. Two of them are accepting CET score. But this gives the opportunity to make a vlog on the FC road, which is my favorite road. We have KP also, other new areas coming up as well. I'm not aware of too much about them, but for me this is the main place. FC road is the main thing. So I'll give you a small walking tour of the FC road and then our center and my today's workshop का छोटा सा vlog. Hi guys, today I'll walk you through one of the most beautiful areas which I like is FC Road of Pune. So this is FC College, Starbucks, and we have the center here. हमारा seating का center एकदम prime location पे है in Millennium Plaza building. This is where we have the center. So today I got this opportunity to take a workshop in Pune branch, and I was here to I made this video talking about the top colleges while explaining you the FC Road, the vibeness, the liveliness, positive vibes of the FC Road, which is kind of a hub for every student in Pune. If you're from Pune, you might be knowing about other places. You can tell me. So we can see the seat taking ka board there. So this is the my lunch home. I always come early, half an hour early before the lecture, and eat my lunch here. I just love to eat there. I like the shanti milti मेरे को यहाँ पे अकेले बैठ के. So talk about the colleges. Number 1 on the list. I'll talk in the end. We'll start ulta. So I'm going to my center as well as we talk. So we have the students waiting. So that's our classroom. Yeah, so I already have done the recording, so I'm just giving the voice over to this. Okay, so that's me. Hi. All right, so number 1 on the list is SIBM Pune. Unfortunately यार, Pune is a hub. Yeah, और मैं यहाँ पे आके चाय पीता हूँ. But MBA के point of view से there are not many good colleges in Pune. That's a fundamental problem in Pune. For undergrads, it's a hub, but for MBA level, SIBM Pune number 1, SMHRD number 2. Yeah, these are the 2 main colleges which we have. This is my lemon tea. हर lecture के बाद मेरे को नीचे आना है टपरी पे. I have to drink this lemon tea and then go back and take the class again. So if you are from Pune branch, you will find me always sitting there. This is a main hub area. Yeah, this is the main hub area of the खाने पीने के joints, food joints. In general, I like the roadside shopping as well of this area, because main brands you can get in Mumbai also, and this is a pub where we normally go for drinks after the lecture. If the day goes well, you will find me here times. Alright, so I'm going to start my lecture now, so let's walk you through this. So 1, 2 we have talked about. Number 3 is Pumba. यार ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है चश्मे वालों की. Alright, so number 3 is Pumba. Number 4 is COEP. COEP is a new college, but COEP is coming up like anything. So COEP, yes, COEP have an MBA program as well. And number 5 on the list is again SIMB based colleges, all the SIMB based colleges. So unfortunately not many colleges to talk about in Pune. So SIBM, SMHRD, Pumba, COEP, and all the other colleges of symbiosis. और नीचे जाना तो yes, we have MET, we have Balaji's, we have other colleges, MIT, Balaji, Indira, other colleges as well. But top colleges, I would only rank 4 colleges here. 4 main colleges of Pune. For that you have to give SNAP का exam and CET का exam. ठीक है, तो ये मेरी वर्कशॉप होती है. थोड़ा ऑड लग रहा है यार, वॉइस ओवर देने की आदत थी मेरे को. So that's my team recording here.